Welcome to 30-Minute Meal with Oscar Island Style. Creating a Caribbean-inspired chicken and vegetable stir-fry is a delightful idea. Here's a simple recipe to help you achieve those tropical flavors. Caribbean chicken and vegetable stir-fry recipe. The complete list of ingredients and cooking instructions are in the description. Ingredients: 1.5 pounds boneless, skinless chicken thighs, cut into bite-sized pieces. 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. 1 red bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 yellow bell pepper, thinly sliced. 1 onion, thinly sliced. 2 cups broccoli florets. 1 cup snap peas, ends trimmed. 3 cloves garlic, minced. 1 tablespoon fresh ginger, grated. 1 teaspoon ground allspice. 1 tablespoon thyme leaves, dried or fresh. 1 teaspoon paprika. 1 teaspoon cumin. Salt and pepper to taste. Juice of 1 lime. 2 tablespoons soy sauce. 1 tablespoon honey or maple syrup. Fresh cilantro or parsley for garnish. Cooked rice for serving. Instructions: prepare the chicken. Season the chicken with salt, pepper, allspice, thyme, paprika, and cumin. Heat 1 tablespoon of oil in a large wok or skillet over medium-high heat. Add the chicken pieces and cook until browned and cooked through. Remove the chicken from the pan and set it aside. Vegetable stir-fry. In the same pan, add the remaining tablespoon of oil. Add minced garlic and grated ginger, sauté for about 30 seconds until fragrant. Add sliced bell peppers, onion, broccoli, and snap peas. Stir-fry for 3 to 4 minutes until vegetables are slightly tender but still crisp. Combine and finish. Add the cooked chicken back to the pan with the vegetables. In a small bowl, mix lime juice, soy sauce, and honey or maple syrup. Pour the sauce over the chicken and vegetables. Toss everything together until well coated and heated through. Serve. Adjust seasoning with salt and pepper if needed. Serve the stir-fry over cooked rice. Garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley. Enjoy! Dive into the delicious Caribbean-inspired flavors of your homemade stir-fry. Feel free to customize the recipe based on your preferences. You can add pineapple chunks for extra sweetness or Scotch bonnet pepper for some heat if you like spicy food. Adjust the ingredients and quantities to suit your taste and enjoy your homemade Caribbean feast. That's a wrap for today's island-inspired culinary journey, my fellow flavor enthusiasts. I hope you enjoyed this taste of paradise and are now equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to bring a bit of island magic to your own kitchen. Remember, the beauty of island cooking lies not only in the ingredients but also in the spirit of sharing and celebration. So, if you whipped up one of our recipes, share it with hashtag Oscar Island Style on social media, and let's create a virtual feast together. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more delectable island delights, and ring that notification bell to stay updated on our latest gastronomic adventures. Until next time, may your dishes be flavorful, your spirits be high, and your hearts be as warm as a tropical sunset. Farewell, my friends, and keep the island vibes alive. Oscar Island Style.